To troubleshoot AwardWallet sync errors, start by understanding the basics of how AwardWallet works. AwardWallet is a travel loyalty program tracking tool that syncs with various airlines, hotels, and credit card accounts to provide a centralized view of your loyalty balances and travel itineraries. The first step in troubleshooting sync errors is to check the account connection status. Log into your AwardWallet account and navigate to the Accounts page. Look for any accounts that are listed as disconnected or have a sync error. Check the last sync date and time to determine if the account has been syncing recently. Next, verify your account credentials. Ensure that your username and password are correct and up to date. Some loyalty programs may require you to re-enter your credentials periodically, so make sure you have the most current information. Another common cause of sync errors is outdated cookies or cache. Clear your browser cookies and cache. Then try syncing your accounts again. This can resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted data. If you are still experiencing sync errors, try relinking the affected account. Remove the account from AwardWallet and then re-add it using the correct credentials. This can resolve issues related to corrupted account connections. It is also important to check for any known issues or outages with the loyalty program or AwardWallet. Check the AwardWallet status page or social media accounts for any updates on known issues. To prevent future sync errors, make sure to regularly review your account connections and update your credentials as needed. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any sync errors or changes to your loyalty balances. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most AwardWallet sync errors. Remember to always verify your account credentials and check for any known issues before attempting to sync your accounts. With a little patience and persistence, you can get your AwardWallet account syncing correctly and stay on top of your loyalty programs.